Good morning, my dear students. In the previous class, we have written new words and rhyming words of the poem Mr. Rabbit. And in today's class, we will be writing the poem in the classwork. So be ready with your English classworks. Yes, children, open your English classwork and write the date. Today is 23rd December 2020. Our heading will be Poem Mr. Rabbit. Okay, children, you will be writing the heading and then we will be writing the poem in the classwork. Mr. Rabbit has a habit that is very cute to see. He crinkles up and wrinkles up his little nose at me. I like my rabbit. I'm like his little brother. We have a lot of fun making faces at each other. Once again we'll read. It's a very easy poem, children. You have to learn these as it is going to come in your examination. So while writing, you read and write, you will be getting it. Mr. Rabbit has a habit that is very cute to see. He crinkles up and wrinkles up his little nose at me. I like my rabbit. I'm like his little brother. We have a lot of fun making faces at each other. End it with the full stop. Write your work neatly and send it in the group. Today's homework is learning of the poem first 4 lines. First 4 lines means till here. His little nose at me. You have to learn the first 4 lines and write the work neatly in your English classwork and send it in the group, children. Thank you. Have a nice day. Yes, children, in today's class we will also be seeing how our term 2 paper is going to come, English. Okay, children, you no need to write this. You have to take out a copy of it. English term 2 paper pattern, which is for 25 marks. First bit will be complete the poem Mr. Rabbit. You have to fill in the blanks in the poem. Okay, you have to learn first 4 lines in this bit. It carries 4 marks, children. Then next you have answer the following questions. You will be given 2 question and answers. Each will carry 2 marks. This will carry 4 marks. And next bit we have grammar exercises. First bit is fill in the blanks using am, is, are. Okay, you have to read the sentence and you have to fill up the blanks using am, is, are. 3 sentences will be given. Each carries 1 mark. So this bit will carry 3 marks. Then next we will have fill in the blanks using he, she, it, I. Okay, you have to read the sentence and fill up the blank using these words. It will carry 4 marks. You will get 4 sentences. Each will carry 1 mark. Then next you have fill in the blanks using a or an. You will be given 6 sentences in which you have to read the sentence and write a or an in the fill up. It will carry 3 marks. Then next you have write the composition on rainbow. You have to refer the classwork for writing the composition which we have written in our English classwork. You have to write it very neatly, giving the full stop and capital letters. It will carry 4 marks. Yes, children, you have to write the spellings of the colors in capital. Then next you have reading, which is on page number 25. All 3 stanzas you have to read it perfectly with pause and intonation. So you have to be very careful when you read as it carries 3 marks. I hope I am clear and you all have understood our paper pattern for English. No need to write this in your classwork. You just have to understand it, how our paper is going to come, children. All the best for your exams. Start preparing, children. Bye-bye.